I bet Nigeria will not go and follow all of them. Yeah. All those celebrities will go follow them. Follow every one of them. They don't even care when the baby will suffer. Now we put them fight for ourselves. Meanwhile, we not there. What shall they do? They send them money, give them. They support them. Like this government now, they don't come outside. They don't support us. They don't pick on help. All now you don't even stop their pay for social media like this. They don't do it.
Omo waiter push one bottle of Hennessy come the table of this guy where they spit fat abeg. Omo dem say truth is bitter. Wetin this guy dey talk for this particular video? As I watch am na so I just dey raise my hand up for this guy. I say, my brother, you don talk a lot of things wey dey for my mind. Any celebrity wey no open mouth talk about the economy of this Nigeria no deserve support from people. Seriously, people need to unfollow them. Like, when it is your time, people dey support you, because without people who know you, who you go come be, how will you make your millions? It reach time for you to speak up, at least for the poor masses. Una just dey hide on her face. When it is time to watch your YouTube videos, to do this one, where go dey generate you money, where you go dey on top, dey booga yourself, say you get money, the thing no affect you. You go put your head, dey beg. But when it is time to at least show your face and talk about government, at least una go just dey hide on her face. E no make sense now. This government is for all of us. That you have today no mean say e no go affect you tomorrow. Cause as everything just dey high dey go, e go reach time wey you wan buy something, at least the thing wey you fit afford, obunima menwe afford.
For social media like this, they don't do it. They don't post anything. They don't post anything. They don't post. They don't post. But all the celebrities, they fight for celebrities, when they get money. Let them collect the money they want to collect. How many pastors don't come out and collect? How many pastors don't come out and collect? What the one of the Hey, Big Mama! This time, for Nigeria, for wake up. I swear to my hand. When I wake up, celebrities will not be joined for this. I beg your follower. They will join! The other celebrities, we are all hungry! We are all hungry! The other celebrities.
Omo, una don hear am. Anybody wey no dey support end of bad governance for Naija no deserve anybody's support. Na so im be. My own prayer be say after this whole peaceful protest, make government at least hear the voice of the masses and do something. If they are doing something before, it is time to triple their efforts. That is why they are there.